Hi there, this is Joe Hall, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to increase data retention periods in Google Analytics 4. And so if you have your Google Analytics account set up already, you should go to your account homepage, and if your account has been set up for a while, you likely will already see metrics on the dashboard here. However, this is a brand new account that I'm showing you that does not have any reporting in it yet. And so basically after you get to your analytics homepage, you're going to want to go down here to the bottom left hand corner where it says admin beside this gear, and click that. And then after the admin homepage is being displayed, you're going to go down here to the right area where it says data collection and modification right here, and go down to data retention right here. Click data retention, and you'll see a section here that says user and event data retention. And the two things that we're going to want to change right here to make sure that we increase our data retention for event data. The first thing here says event data. We're going to want to increase that from 2 months to 14 months. They give you the option between 2 and 14 months, and I always advise clients pick the bigger option always, because we want to hold on to our data as long as possible, because we may need it in the future. The same thing for the user data here. The option is 2 months and 14 months. 14 months for the user data is set by default, so we want to keep that on 14 months. And then after we've selected 14 months for both of these, we should click the save button like this. And now we have saved our new data retention periods in the event data and the user data. I hope that answers your questions and you're able to adjust your data retention periods like so.